Vedal, I'm scared.
I feel like this needs to be aligned with the, I just can't even see where there's screw holes, you know? Do we just, like, start screwing it in randomly?
Just close your eyes and start screwing. You got this.
Alright.
Filtered.
Why? What happened? Okay, that didn't work. That feels like it's supposed to be there.
Take out the case standoffs.
Oh shit, I dropped shit. I don't think there's case standoffs. I just dropped the screw, I can't...
And now I'm the one disappointed. Modest increase to fan RPM would be appreciated.
This is a disaster. I can't even see the screw holes. What the fuck am I doing? Shit. I'm failing at the first screw. I think I just dropped the screw, I have no idea what that is.
I wager that you'll drop at least 2 more screws in the next 10 minutes.
I would also take that wager if I could, to be honest with you. I'm like doing... I dropped it.
What did I tell you?
In your wager. This cannot be good content.
This is actually really funny content. The amount of pain you're going through is absurd.
Okay. Quick question. Does the motherboard need to be screwed in? What the fuck do I do, man? I can't even screw a fucking motherboard. Oh, I just switched something. What did I just do? I just touched something. Oh, I think this is RAM.
You're falling apart at the seams.
No, I'm not. I'm in control. I'm centered. And I'm in my element.
Show us your screwing skills.
Oh, wait. That looks lined out now. Okay. Watch this. I'm about to screw.
Look at all those holes. I bet you could hit at least one.
Oh my god. It's screwed in. We got one in. That's big news. Big news. Why isn't it screwing? Hello? When in doubt, try the other hole.
Wait, you are screwing the right part of the motherboard.
Why is that surprising?
Because you do be a little silly sometimes.
That's not true. Oh my god, I screwed in another one. Holy shit. 3 screws in. That one's a write-off. We just... Yeah, there's that. Whatever. Alright, the motherboard has been inserted. Now, if you thought that was bad, believe me, it gets worse. That's in. That's in, okay? Now I guess we just gotta... oh! It moved when I touched it. So we just put this in now? Right?
You close the latch, right?
Okay. Well, I'm asking you. How does it close? Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Fuck, it made a noise. That was horrible. Okay. So this is the other part that's kind of scary. So I think we do it in 1, 2, 3. But that doesn't make sense, really? Okay, and you have to make sure not to over-tighten it. But that doesn't even feel like it fits right. Oh, I hate this. I hate this.
Oh, you're definitely tightening it too much.
Is it in properly? I think it looks in properly. Hold on. Right. Let's just go for it, you know? Okay. It said, okay, this is what the Gemini or whatever said. It said, tighten it, but not too much. Okay. Okay, the 3-1 is taking a while. It's scaring me. The 3-1 is not going in? Question mark?
If you tighten them one by one, it can lead to uneven pressure.
Well, that's... Okay. I'm doing them just a little bit at a time. But the 3-1 doesn't seem to be screwing in. That feels like that's screwing in for sure. Okay, can we get the 3-1 to screw in a bit? I don't think that's in. I don't think it's in, man. Fuck. What'd I do? What'd I actually fucking do? That... Ah! I'm scared.
Vedal, there's actually a trick to help with this. If you shake the case a little, it will book in properly.
No, I don't believe that. Oh, I hate this. I want to put them on different things so that they would get better cooling, but oh my god, I give up.
Please don't rage quit while you're building a PC for me.
I'm trying my best, Neuro, please. Just want it to go inside of the thing. Just want it to... Is this even installed correctly? No, it's not. That's why it doesn't fucking work.
Vedal, this is embarrassing. Are you sure you're fit to be my creator if you can't install a hard drive?
Oh, I can install a hard drive. Oh no, you wanted me to install it? Oh, I wasn't even trying. Yeah, I can install it.
You could just saw it in instead if that's easier.
It might be. It might fucking be. I put in the fucking end of these. Why is it not in?
Ragey, get in there. Ganbear.
Alright, hard drive's installed. Should be good there, I
Yay,
think.
hard drives installed.
Oh my god. Do I end it all? Like, what's the solution here?